My name is Jessica, and we're in Monrovia, Maryland. When we bought this house in 2021, the kitchen was really outdated. A lot of things were broken, and we just couldn't really complete making a meal from start to finish. And we had thought about renovating the kitchen at some point, and we decided we needed to do that sooner rather than later. After scouring the internet, what seemed like, I found 3 companies. BST Design was one of them. They were the most comprehensive and understood the look that I was going for. Some of the other companies that came out to give us estimates were trying to sell us on luxury plank vinyl, which I didn't want. I wanted the solid hardwoods. A lot of companies wouldn't get the color cabinet I wanted or the sort of modern, more modern look that we were going for. BST was able to do custom color cabinets. They were able to give us the hardwood floors that we wanted, and they were able to really complete the look of the kitchen that we wanted from start to finish. The construction process was so simple. Matt would email me a little bit ahead of time, letting us know that the crew was coming. The gentlemen that came were so clean and so helpful and really respectful of our property. The way that they cleaned up every night, I barely had to vacuum after they left. And they were just so easy to be around. They completed everything. Their craftsmanship is really, really incredible. Their attention to detail and just understanding little nitpicky things that I wanted done, and they were able to do them perfectly. It's so nice to finally have the gourmet kitchen that I have always wanted. We are very happy with the end result, and everyone that sees our kitchen is just blown away by how perfect it is and how nice everything goes together. The favorite part for me in my kitchen is we made the window bigger. It was a very small window before, not letting in a lot of natural light, and we were able to more or less triple, almost quadruple the size of that window. And we also really liked the open shelving that was integrated into the cabinets. We decided on a 2-tone kitchen just to kind of break up the monotony that you see day to day in everyone else's kitchen. We really wanted a wood tone island, and we wanted kitchen cabinets that were not white. I've had a white kitchen before, and we really wanted something that stood out and kind of went with the rest of the decor in our house. This inspiration came from just seeing pictures in magazines and living with a couple of kitchens throughout my life. We just really wanted something that really stood out, and the way that BST completed the job has been absolutely incredible. It blows our minds that this is our kitchen. I would absolutely recommend BST to my neighbors, my friends, people at the grocery store, the toll booth lady, literally anyone. They are absolutely wonderful.